Blacktree itself was created in 2002 to establish communications in harsh environments over long distance. We established an airborne communication network that gave us 400 kilometres point-to-point comms in the outback. So in 2002 to 2015 we did a lot of communication projects, primarily in the resources industry, and then in 2015 we transitioned into defence. And we had the opportunity to pick up a range of UHF SATCOM equipment that was designed in Western Australia, manufactured in Western Australia, and it was a natural transition from us. It's what we've been doing all the time. The only change is that the repeater is now in space as opposed to on an aircraft or on a tower, somewhere in a terrestrial installation. We started off obviously as a team of two. Joe is the technical brains, has had an interest in radio communications forever. I had a project management background, actually from the finance industry. So you kind of had the technical and the administration marrying together. We now have 17 people in the organisation. We have 6 people based in Canberra. The Canberra team is very strong on project management and engineering focus. So Perth is more your headquarters, your administration and manufacturing side. 90% of our equipment is manufactured in Australia. In fact, it's actually manufactured in Western Australia. They're machined here in Perth, they're coated here in Perth, they're polished here in Perth, and then we do the final assembly and manufacturing here. We pride ourselves on using the local supply chain here in Western Australia where possible for the manufacture of our gear. Blacktree is unique because as a small organisation we can be innovative, we can be agile, so to become a trusted solver of people's problems. So we always look to go beyond the first response. It's really just to dig deeper and understand what the real problem is and how we can solve that. The communication systems that we have built are designed to talk to satellites. So those particular products are designed for military use. They're used by the Australian Defence Force. Our largest export to date was to the UK, where we exported 2 dual antenna systems. We've got some really good opportunities coming up in Europe. It's also used by NATO, so it's a very robust communication system.
The key things I've enjoyed since I've joined Blacktree is really their attention to corporate governance generally and meeting the compliance requirements of our customer, our prime customers being Defence. We're now in the process of going through the accreditation for workplace health and safety and also environmental management. We see them as key parts of our future compliance requirements, and the sooner we can get that in place, the better for us.
I actually value working at Blacktree. They praise us when we do excellent work, when we've had big jobs and we've met those jobs and we've met those expectations.
And Joe and Joel really take a lot of pride in how they look after people and how they work with them and encourage them. We work hard, but we also enjoy ourselves and have a very good relationship.
Blacktree is considered a world leader, in fact, in UHF SATCOM, primarily because our equipment is robust, it performs very well. But the other benefit is that it's an integrated system. From the back of the radio to the tip of the antenna, that is where we sit. So we do provide that vertically integrated solution. It's a one-stop shop for the customer, but the products themselves work very well together.